What's up, everybody? My name is Tiffany and this is my channel. So please hit the subscribe, the notification thing, and then give it a thumbs up for this video. Leave me any comments below if you have any questions. But I'm gonna do the butterfly cut. Ooh, I'm so excited. I mean, you can see this is obviously a couple days after, but if you want to see the process, then stay tuned. Alright, so this is the latest before picture that I have. My hair is just really long. It was all, I tried to put my own layers in. I've been cutting my hair and doing my hair for about 17 years. And I used to get this nice slither cut with all the layers. So this butterfly cut, I'm really excited to try it. So initially you want to do wet hair, exclamation, exclamation. So I did wash my hair, but it tends to dry pretty quickly. So I sprayed a little, mix some like leave-in conditioner with water and saturate the hair. And then make sure that you comb it out really well, leaving no knots. I probably spent a good, I don't know, 10 minutes combing, and I've edited a lot of combing out of this video. So, Brad Mondo put this video out. He does the reactions and he keeps saying to cut a lot of hair. So I utilized a 3x5 index card to help me know what is 5 inches. So we want to start our part from the apex of the head down to the ears. And this is gonna be kind of that main front, that front section of the hair where you get some face framing layers. And then we'll end up putting this kind of in a ponytail in front of the head like a unicorn, but you really want to make sure that it's combed out and smooth so that it's all the same length. Very extra here. Making sure these parts are even. Okay, so here's the second ponytail. This is our Ariana Grande coming up. The first one, it's kind of like our little unicorn horn. And then the second one, again, lots of combing. Depending on your hair and the thickness, I have a lot of hair. I mean, I'm amazed just the amount that I cut off and that I still have so much length. So just wait and see. So I want to add, it's good to put some of your favorite music on and maybe just dance around, feeling yourself. If you're gonna do this, if you've never cut your hair before, it can be a little nerve-wracking if you don't really know what to expect. But honestly, I am so excited about this haircut. It has made, oh my gosh, I think I used to spend like over an hour in the bathroom, kind of splitting out the sections and cutting in the layers and all that stuff. And then this haircut makes it so much easier, y'all. 3x5 index card. If you wanted to start with the 3 inches, that makes it a little bit easier, but I just went ahead and cut the full 5 inches because I wanted more of a dramatic and visible result. Again, I combed out these ponytails a lot before I actually cut them, just to make sure all the strands were even, because you don't want a bunch of like crooked stuff. And then of course, after I made the 2 major cuts, just go ahead and cut straight across. Don't do any of the point cutting or whatever. I really just kept combing and kind of evened out that line, because what happens is the head is round, so even though we cut straight lines, all of this is going to create layers as they lay upon each other. So now it's time to take out the hair ties, and you can already see where these layers that frame the face already have kind of this triangle shape. Get ready for the hair whips. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm already loving it. Whipping that hair back and forth. Ooh wee. We're gonna check the length. And then you can see where the hair is kind of piecey from all of the combing, which it's really combed out, no tangles. But in order to get the wave back, I need to go ahead and reset the kind of the curl pattern. So I just hopped into the shower and flipped my head over, and then used the shower head to kind of spray just the hair, and then used a towel to get that initial curl and wave back in, and then using the microfiber turban to kind of plop the hair once I've put some leave-in conditioner. Alright, and here you have it, the final look. Just kidding. Time to go to sleep, and I let my hair dry naturally. And then the next day, I wanted to go for a little dramatic effect, so of course, hello. I know it's a butterfly, but I have some angel wings, and it is what it is. The crown I made at the awesome Emerald Coast Pixies workshop. Oops. And here is my hair the actual next morning. Once it was dry, this is kind of how it looks. The length is still there. There's plenty of shape and waves. And then this here is actually midday after a couple yoga classes and brushing the hair. And then I kind of did the evening look later on. But look at all those layers, y'all. Ooh. See y'all next time.